This is not a drill. People in southern Alabama, northern Florida, and southern Georgia have reported sightings of a human-like creature with a large mouth and small black eyes. Multiple bodies have been found mutilated and missing most vital organs. It has also been reported that it can mimic voices of its victims, hide in a locked room with no windows, and turn off all the lights. Do not trust anyone outside. EAS emergency. The attacks of the creature has spread to northern Mississippi and the entire state of Alabama. We have confirmed that the creatures can shapeshift into their victims. We have also confirmed there are more than one of the creatures, most likely 100. One of the victims did survive, and they came in for interviewing. They said, "It broke into my house and it tried to eat me." They managed to capture a video of the creature. Here is the video.